Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Muscletech Nitro Tech. First, place your new container on a sturdy, flat surface, like a kitchen counter or table. Make sure it's standing upright and stable. Before you begin, quickly check the outside of the container for any clear plastic shrink wrap. If present, carefully remove this outer layer to access the main lid. This initial step ensures a smooth and easy process for getting to your protein powder. Now that the container is ready, firmly hold the base of the tub with one hand to keep it steady. With your other hand, grasp the lid securely. Begin to twist the lid in a counterclockwise direction. You'll feel it loosen as you turn. Keep twisting until the lid completely detaches from the container. Once it's free, gently lift the lid straight up and set it aside, preparing for the next step. After removing the outer lid, you will see a protective inner seal, usually made of foil or plastic, covering the protein powder. Look closely for a small, raised tab or an edge designed for easy gripping. Carefully take hold of this tab. Slowly and steadily peel the seal back, pulling it upwards and across the opening. Continue until the entire seal is removed, revealing the powder inside. Dispose of the seal properly. Finally, it's time to find your serving scoop. It's common for the scoop to be buried within the protein powder during shipping. Use a clean, dry spoon or a similar utensil to gently sift through the powder until you locate the scoop. Once you find it, carefully pull it out. You might want to wipe off any excess powder from the scoop before its first use. Now your Muscletech Nitro Tech is ready for mixing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.